Marion Hall jets in for Reggae Sumfest. Hi, I'm Debbie. Gone are the days when her risque antics made many blush. But what about those rude royalties? Underneath it all, she's earned it. The former lady saw Kiss Kiss kissing her troubles away.
I'm doing better, way better since you left.
Billed as Marion Hall, but still with many characteristics of the old lady saw in front of a crowd.
You know what? You can't take that away from me. I tell people I'm music, I'm heart, I am reggae, I'm dancehall, I'm hip-hop, I'm rock, I'm punk, I'm everything. I know they were looking for something like that because even the promoter was saying, can't you do Sycamore Tree? Can't you do it? I said, no, I'm not going back there, but I can say that, yes, I used to, but then I will flip and do some things that you were not expecting.
Reggae Sumfest promoter Joe Bogdanovich expecting Hall to pull her old fans, as well as others curious to see what sort of persona the Sycamore Tree Singh is currently forging, having moved away from her hardcore past.
I can say, that's not me, I used to be, but every day people say, ladies, I can't take that, Queen, what can I do? I'm like, I'm not that, but they still say that's who we know you as, and you're still our queen, and every day is like that, but I don't want to be. At times, I myself, I wonder, why is it that you're giving me these messages to preach? Why is it you told me to cancel the shows and give back the money, but yet still you send me to Tony Rebel concert? No, you send me to Sumfest. Sumfest?
Sumfest.
Jesus Christ, and you know me, I got box down some demon down there.
What's plain is that Hall is still on a high after her much talked about set in New York at Groovin' in the Park.
Me come here so we preach on the gospel. So tell her preach out, don't be me no fight now. I said I almost lost my soul.
There's some demons that are assigned to me. You may not understand. It's a spiritual warfare I'm in. You have people who are paid to attack me. So when I clap back, and that's why I say me a one Christian who clap back, and when me clap back, head top must crack.
You firmly believe you can just cut off the past, that it's not going to come back to haunt you in a particular way when you're doing big shows like a Sumfest or something and people are going there with certain expectations. You think people will accept Marion Hall and forget Lady Saw?
They'll accept me because everything, I'm so talented in all genre. So I can sing, this is just a break-up song. And then the young people, this is just you know what I'm saying? And they're like, breakup song? Yes, Christians break up too. I broke up with the devil because he had control of me for years. I'm done with some so-called friends, ex-man, ex-boss, ex-husband, ex-everything.
I guess the song that's stuck in people's minds, the one that...
Come kiss, 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 kiss.
Kiss the Bible.
Take a kiss out of this.
Come kiss, 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 kiss. Take a kiss out of this. Hey!
The thing is, even now, even the t-shirts, people are saying, well, I can get one kiss out my Bible. A lot of Christians, you have some, the religious ones, the scribes and Pharisees of, modern day scribes and Pharisees, they come up against that. But I always tell them, go and look in the Bible, Ezekiel chapter 3 actually, and you will see where God told the prophet Ezekiel to eat the whole roll. Kiss out the whole Bible. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Eat the roll and then go to the people. He said, you're going to a nation that is not of strange speech. So what God did with me was give me something that they would understand.
Listen, kiss out Matthew, Mark and John. Kiss out the 2 books of Corinthians. Kiss out Galatians and Thessalonians, and then kiss out Hebrews and Revelation. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
And you mentioned Sycamore Tree earlier. You would never perform that song again.
Never perform any of my old songs. And people ask me every day, why not use I've Got Your Man and say I've got God? I say, God, give me an overflow. I have so much songs that my phones can't hold them.
And when the royalties are rolling in from those songs, you say no to that too?
No. Did you know that when David go to war, God tell him to take the spoil? The Bible said the wealth of the unjust is laid up for the righteous. So at that time I was unjust. Yeah, and one Bible said the wealth of the wicked. You understand? So wherever it come from. You bless it.
And Minister Hall will still take in those royalty checks
Oh,
without any
yes,
problem.
and I do take
and
them.
You, and you deserve them.
Listen, oh, people, I just got some money recently. And it was some money that was somewhere stuck. And I have a lawyer. And when that money came, it was right on time. I bless it and I use it for the right reason. My checks are my checks. They never bounce. Yesterday I was in the mall. The song that I did with No Doubt. When Stefani there? It was playing on Pandora. Then,
because it's gone platinum.
all right, a double platinum again, right? Look now, I hear, put a smile on your face. I'm like, that's double. I know some people have some money for me. I'm gonna get it, I'm telling you.
Yes, Marion Hall with lots to celebrate, even if it's a reminder of her wonderfully wicked ways as the notorious queen of dancehall. The digital version of the rock group No Doubt single Underneath It All, on which she featured, has indeed been certified platinum. Released back in 2002 and also featuring Sly and Robbie, Underneath It All peaked at number 3 on Billboard's Hot 100 chart. It was No Doubt's highest charting single and went on to cop a Grammy.
Let me tell you this, I don't care what nobody say about me. Trust me, I'm called by the Holy Spirit. And I want you to know, ER, when you finish with this right here, some people gonna get saved. It's conviction, yeah? Conviction over accusation.
Hey, me no hotel don't book for me, no one.
ER, I'm walking after the Spirit. And where the Spirit of the Lord is, there's freedom. So I'm free to do whatever I want down by Sunfest once the Holy Spirit said do it. So you don't like it? Come kiss, 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 kiss. Take a kiss out on this. Hey, come kiss, 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 kiss. Oh, I'm ready, ER, I'm ready, ER. See you at Sunfest.
This is